In our last video, we have compared class test A and class test B. We have taken full class test A and full class test B. And we compared the means, whether there is any difference or not. Today, we will do the paired t-test, whether there is any difference pairwise, 1 to 1. So, for instance, 20 minus 26, 20 minus 26. So, like this, we will see 1 to 1 difference and see whether there is any difference or not. So, it means they are not independent samples, but they are dependent samples. So they are not independent samples. They are dependent. This C2 depends upon C1. So Python simple command is, I'll just take you to the Jupyter editor and will show you which simple command we use. We use the simple commands stats dot t-test underscore reliable, reliable, because they are dependent on each other. And then we select which column, which to be compared with the which column. See, in our last video, we have done this as two independent sample t-tests, where we got the file by tkinter, then pandas read that file, and ultimately we use the command stats dot t-test independent, stats dot t-test underscore independent. Now here we are going to use the command t-test underscore rel. This is the simple difference in the earlier video and this video, and you can do the paired t-test. I'm just going to copy the last commands, just simply copy the last commands, paste it here, and I will just paste it here, and here I am just going to change it here as we are going to make only slight change, that is reliable t-test underscore rel, because now both the samples are not independent. Sample B is independent of A. And rest of the things, everything same. Just going to run it. I'm just going to run. First, it will take some time to import tkinter, pandas, maths. See, many of the things may not be useful here, but we are to just importing everything. In case we want to make any changes later on, we can add those things. And here, because this is equal to %6.3f, that will just convert %63f, that will just change the output, which had so many decimals, will change to up to 3 decimals. Let us run it. We will select the file test date, and it will ask what you want as y and what you want as x. So let us see, our first sample is 3 and the second sample is 2. So now the t-test is, t-statistics is coming as 3.353. So p-value is 0.002. It is less than 0.05. So we can say there is a difference between the pairs. So because this t statistics is positive, so there is a positive difference between the. We can also add here describe A and B. We can simply write it here, describe A and B, and we can find write down the means and other standard deviations, standard errors of each sample. That can you can add it. Let us change the data here and there. I'm going to make it say a few changes here. I'm going to make it say 16, and here I am going to make it 28. Let us make another changes here as 25. So let us make changes here as 20. Let us see now, is there any change after this? So I am going to run again, run. It is going to ask me the file sample is 3, then it is 2, and now it is 1.687. P value is 0.010. It means it is more than 0.05. So it means there is no change between P. There is no change from A to B. Thanks for watching. Next video, ANOVA, analysis of variance. Same commands, everything you have to remember this. See, we have made only here t-test underscore independent to reliable, REL. That's all. All others are from the earlier video. Thanks. Next video, ANOVA.